Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID and Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, open the Find My app and go to Devices. Select your AirPods Pro. Tap Play Sound immediately if they might be nearby. That emits a tone you can follow. Do this now because sound bypasses map delays and often resolves quick recoveries. Make sure to watch the map's last seen timestamp too, since it tells you where they were when they last connected. Next, use the map view to narrow down where your AirPods Pro were last connected. Live updates appear when they reconnect. If you suspect theft or can't reach them, enable Lost Mode. Add contact info and a short message so someone can return them. Once you're in the general area, use Play Sound again. This works even if one bud is in the case, sometimes only one plays. Also inspect the Find My screen for left-right battery levels to confirm which earbud might still be active. To finish, use Precision Finding if your iPhone supports it. It gives distance and directional guidance so you can walk straight to the bud. If you get close, open the AirPods case. Findings differ when buds are inside versus out. If sound is faint, approach slowly and sweep the room while listening. Pockets and cushions hide them. One key troubleshooting tip: if your AirPods show offline, check their battery level, ensure your iPhone has the latest iOS, and confirm you're signed into iCloud.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.